There are channels in the motivational niche growing incredibly fast. One has over 85,000 subscribers with only 14 videos. Another has 50,000 subscribers with just 15 videos. And there are many more like them. This niche is one of the most profitable on YouTube. Besides AdSense revenue, some creators build paid communities. One channel has over 670 members, each paying $15 per month. That's more than $10,000 every month just from the community, and even more from ads. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create videos like them in your own unique style. I'll also show you how to design thumbnails and how to build consistent branding for your channel. Now, keep in mind, if you start a new channel, YouTube won't pay you until you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. To skip this step, you can use a pre-monetized channel. I've tried them myself, and the website I'll show you on screen is 100% safe. So, let's get started. Step 1. Prompts and ideas. First, go to the description. There, you'll find a document containing all the prompts we'll use in this video. Copy the idea prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In seconds, you'll have 10 unique ideas for your niche. Next, copy this script prompt from the document and paste it into ChatGPT. Replace the placeholder with your chosen topic. ChatGPT will generate a ready-to-use script for your video. Step 2. Visuals. We'll create visuals using AI images. From the document, copy the third prompt. This prompt helps generate images for your video. In my example, I included orange and black as brand colors. The channel I showed earlier uses red and black. You should also decide on your own brand color. Now, copy the first paragraph of your script. Paste it into ChatGPT along with the image prompt. You'll receive image prompts for every line of the script. For image generation, I recommend Google's Gemini because it produces 1080p images. Open Gemini, click on Tools, and select Images with Imagen. Paste the prompt, and image generation will begin. Repeat this process paragraph by paragraph until you have all the visuals. Step 3. Voiceover. For audio generation, open Google AI Studio. Go to native speech generation and switch to single speaker mode. In the document, you'll also find style instructions for the voice. Copy and paste those into the tool, then paste your script. Choose a voice, click Run, and wait for the audio to generate. It might take a little time, but the results are excellent. Download the file once it's ready. Step 4. Editing the video. Now import all your images and voiceover into CapCut. Click Sort and select time created so the files line up correctly. Arrange each image to match the audio. Then, generate captions. In the font search, choose Luxury. Disable Apply to All so you can edit each caption line separately. Highlight one main word in each line, make it larger, and change it to your brand color. This creates strong emphasis. Next, add effects. Start with Play Pendulum and apply the specific settings I'll share on screen. Then add the vignette effect for a cinematic touch. Step 5. Background music. Every good motivational video needs powerful background music. Search for it directly on YouTube. When you find a track, check its description for copyright details. Some tracks may require credit in your video description, so don't skip this step. Add the music to CapCut. First, normalize the loudness. Then, lower the volume so the background music supports the voiceover without overpowering.
Stop lying to yourself. That's the reason you're still stuck in the same miserable loop. You say you want change. You say you want more money, better health, real confidence. But your actions expose the truth. You want comfort more than progress.
Step 6. Thumbnail and logo. For the thumbnail, go back to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me a detailed prompt to generate a thumbnail for this video." Copy that prompt and paste it into Gemini. In seconds, you'll have a professional thumbnail ready to use. You can do the same for your channel logo. Just ask ChatGPT for a detailed logo prompt. Paste it into Gemini and generate it. This way, both your thumbnails and branding stay consistent and professional. That's how you can make professional motivational videos step by step. Remember, all the prompts I showed you are in the description. Use them one by one, and you'll be able to create high-quality videos in your own style. If you want a pre-monetized channel, check out the website on your screen. It's 100% safe. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.